What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be playing Broken Bones, and I'm just gonna do a quick. You laughing at me? You're laughing at me. She's laughing at me. Offensive. So today we're gonna be playing Broken Bones 5 Open Alpha. So she's luckily already started because I set my video on. Rude. So she's already in playing and breaking some bones, and she's gonna be following me to a spot that's really good that I really don't know. So yeah. So now I'm waiting. Waiting. What?
See, look at that. I'm like that.
Yep. Yeah, zoom out, Kayla. Actually, is this a new update? It's an update, I think.
No, it wasn't like that before.
Yeah, I think they updated it.
Just then?
Yeah, maybe. No, they might have been uploading and the upload took super long, so.
No, this is hard.
Oh, mine's zoomed out. Yours is fully zoomed in. Whoa, why is everything not loaded in? Okay. Oh, they've changed it. Yep. It's been up there. You guys, look at that. Oh, no, it's not. It's not. They haven't changed it. That's the way. Wow, it's amazing.
Are you zoomed in?
No. Do you want to explore the caves? I'm going to explore caves. Whoa, lag.
Wait for me.
Okay, mouse.
Like...
Wait, what? What? What I saw was 2 mouse. I have 1.
Wait, what?
Not 2. I had 2 mouses show up on screen. That's how laggy it is. And this mouse is taking 10,000 years to be normal. Well, what else am I supposed to use? So, Kayla, where are you? Are you coming to the caves or what?
Yeah.
I'm waiting at the cave for you. JK, I'm already walking.
Done.
Okay, where are you? It's just up here, the really big hole place, my jiggy. Kayla, where are you? Where even are you?
Trying.
I want to see the lead.
What?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good. So where are you again? Okay, I'm just gonna go to cave without you.
No.
Come on then. That's my screen wasn't so damn loud. Okay. So guys, today I'm gonna try and post 3 videos. I've posted 1. This is my second.
I'm like.
Where'd you go? First of all. Are you in my game?
So then I had to come back into the game. Where are you?
Are you even in my? Oh yeah, you're in my game. I'm at the cave place. I'm standing. There's like a big hole in the mountain. It's very easy to find. Go to there. No, I'm waiting right here.
D4?
Oh, come here. Why are you?
I fell into it. You weren't even there.
You weren't even in the cave then.
Is it like a tunnel kind of thing?
Yes.
With the fence around it?
No.
What?
I have no idea. Oh, there. I found it. It's a volcano. Oh.
Where are you?
No, you don't need to know.
Tell me.
She doesn't even know.
33 bones.
Okay, let's go. Hey, you've been breaking bones without me. Okay, let's go down here.
Don't even know where you are.
Ooh! Oh, I only broke 1 bone. I'm still going to go off the cliff. Come on. I can do it. Oh. Come on. What? I'm not breaking any bones. I broke 1 bone so far. How do you not break bones from this? My leg was like up next to my face falling. What? No fractured or anything dislocated, nothing. Only one broken little bone. Even that lady probably broke small bones in me. It's the worst full of and it's taking so long. That's a bad thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Almost $72,000.
Just go 1,000. God, that was so
Where
fun.
are you?
Trying to break bones, not working. Okay, I'm climbing up a mountain. Well, the rocks. Right now. Oh my god, my muscles are so laggy. I think it's because of the game. So I'm going up the mountain here. I come. What's that? Thing when Jill or someone goes up the mountain. Somehow I forgot it. Jill and Jack. Yeah, Jill goes up the. No, Jack goes up the mountain. Oh, no. Calm down if you guys know that. Something like that. Okay, I'm about to be there. Come on, Kayla, where are you? When are we gonna do that thing? I told her we were gonna do this thing go really high. But I have no idea where she is.
Yes, I'm coming up the mountain.
I'm going up the mountain here. I come.
Do you think when you
Going up the mountain here. I come.
where are you going? Like
Okay.
the brown, like.
I'm going.
Are you going up like the brown?
I haven't.
Are you going up the brown?
Oh,
Kaylin.
that was.
Kaylin.
What?
Are you going up the brown? Where are you going up this?
I just went down. I just broke 54. Shut up! I broke 54 bones. What do you want?
Where are you going up this? Where are you going up this? Look.
No.
Where are you?
I was going up the rocky part. Okay, I'm spawning back.
Okay, I'm in full.
That was really cool. That was really good. When I'm looking at something, okay, I'm fine. Okay, let's go. Let's go up here. Jump, 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 chirp, 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 chirp. I was supposed to say jump, but I said chirp, chirp, a chirp, a chirp, a chirp, a chirp. I never knew this could happen. Jump, jump, let the birdie jump, jump.
You're on second.
Really?
Well, it says
2. I thought you said second on the leaderboard.
It says 2. What does that mean?
I have 2 life. I don't know. I can't see down there. I'm just gonna jump right here. I think this was where I was last time. Oh no, I was more down.
Okay, I'm gonna break one.
Not that bad so far. I reckon this game is not very true. I reckon you break a lot more bones.
Yes.
Like you barely break any in this one. See, guys, see that left leg? Let's see the left leg. So not bad. How much money do you have?
74,000.
49.
81,000.
49. This guy's just jumping off the ledge. Time you get that money. Oh, that was not bad, but it should have been in real life. Oh, yeah. This is so fake. You would break like 50 bones for that one.
I broke 38.
When you jump down, you might be
Actually, it broke 26.
Hello, I'm KNEC60. I'm a sitting person. Hello. See, not this person here. Just put them over there. Just get rid of this guy, and we'll get the new person right here. We don't need that weirdo.
Where are you?
So I broke total brace. I broke 139 bones. Nice.
Yeah,
wait, what?
Spawn?
Okay, I'm gonna put you guys back in play. I spawn where you're supposed to spawn. That's where.
Okay, wait there.
Oh, I already jumped. Yep, totally just didn't jump.